Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to discuss all about YouTube setting. So how we going to use this setting in our YouTube channel and YouTube video. So I'm going to open my YouTube channel. In the left side, in the below, you can see the setting icon. I'm going to click this. So first setting you see in general, the default unit. So you can stay with your default currency or you can change this currency from here. I'm going to stay with the default one. Next one is channel. From the channel section, you can see the country of residence. We are going to select this in US. After this, you want to add some keyword for your channel, then you can add it. So I'm going to add some. I already show you how you can search keyword, so you can use those method, but I'm going to type this. So after this, click on advanced setting. In advanced setting, if you are to make your channel as a made for kid, then click on yes. If not, then click on no. So I'm going to click on no. You can also add your Google Ads account if you want to boost your channel with Google Ads. If you want to add automatic chapter, then enable this. And advertisement, if you disable this, personal ads will not show in your video. So that's why I'm not going to select this one. After this, there are other option. You see manage YouTube account or remove YouTube account. In manage YouTube account, if I click on remove YouTube account, my YouTube channel will be gone. So if you want to remove your channel, then you can click this, and then you need to put your password. But I'm not going to delete my channel, so I'll close this. So in manage YouTube account, you can see the more option is available. Channel status and feature, create new channel, or view advanced setting. If I click on channel status and feature, then it show me our feature visibility. So I'm going to close this. I'm going to talk about this in later. If you click this, the new channel will create with the same Gmail. In view advanced setting, you can see our user ID or channel ID. So in here, move channel to branch channel. I already show you how you can move your channel to branch channel. So I'm going to close this again. And if you click on delete channel, then your channel will be deleted. So I'm going to close this again. So in feature visibility, you can see the standard feature, intermediate feature, and advanced feature. For advanced feature, we need to upload more video in our channel, embed live stream or external link in video description. For intermediate feature, we need to verify our phone number. So in the separate video, I'm going to show you how you can verify your phone number. So after this, it's a upload defaults. We already talked about upload defaults. What is upload defaults and how we can use it. In community, you can manage moderator or standing moderator or app user, hidden user. In default option, comments on channel is default is on. If I click on off, my comment will be off. So I click on again. In agreement, all use of the service is subject to YouTube terms and services. If you want to learn more, then click on this. The new blog page is open. So you can read this agreement if you want to know more about this. So I'm going to close this. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can verify your phone number. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel for more videos.